coins for here. And today we'll be learning more about fraction, like converting fraction and comparison of fractions. So let us start. Now we will see how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Take an example of 19 by 6. First, we'll divide 19 by 6. In 6 table, we don't have 19, but we have 18, which comes at the third position. We'll keep 3 as the quotient. And now, we'll subtract 18 from 19, which will give us 1. Now, let us see how to write mixed fraction after our correct division. So, we'll keep 3 as the whole number, 6 as the denominator and 1 as the new numerator. Now let us see how to convert mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So let's take an example of 2 3 by 4. Now we'll multiply 2 by 4, which will give us 8, and then we'll add 3 to it, which will give us 11. So our final answer will be 11 by 4. So friends, 11 by 4 is an improper fraction, as you all know.
Comparison of fractions. Now, to get to a place where you had a problem, who has a bigger portion of pizza? The solution to your problem is to compare. Before we get there, let us understand what it means to compare fraction. To start off, if I ask you to guess which of these are bigger, is it 1 by 3 or is it 1 by 7? Pause the video here and try to guess what is bigger. Many of you might think that 7 is bigger than 3, so it is 1 by 7. Well, it is wrong. You cannot compare fraction like you will compare numbers. 1 by 3 is bigger than 1 by 7. Let me show you how. Okay, let me take one big rectangle to represent 1 by 3. What do I do now? I have to divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts, and then I will shade one part of it red. Now, I'll take the same rectangle and divide it into 7 equal parts, and I'll shade one of these 7 parts as blue. If I bring both of the rectangles one above each other, you can see that the amount of red color is greater than the amount of blue color. Thus, this shows that 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 7.
So now we have learned what means to compare fractions. Now let us learn how to do comparison of like fraction. Shown here is an example of two fractions, 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. So if you want to do the comparison between these two fractions, you have to first see if the denominators are same. If they are same, then you have to do the normal comparison. For example, 5 is greater than 3, so it will be 5 by 8. Now let's move ahead to unlike fractions. So, if you want to compare between unlike fraction, you have to cross multiply. For example, 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. In this type of situation, you have to multiply 5 by 4 and 7 by 3. When you multiply 5 by 4, you get 20. And when you multiply 7 by 3, you get 21. So friends, 21 is bigger than 20. Thus, 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. In this video, we have learned about converting fraction and comparison of fractions. Thank you.